The big question this afternoon is whether Martin Jomic and Chantal Denise know what they are about to do.
Yung vows mo, nasulat mo na ba?
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here.
Unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil nakilala kita. Hi, Bay. Hanggang ngayon, di ako makapaniwala na asawa na kita.
Swinging in the warrior's one. Caught before I'm falling for all in front of us. Lightning struck the heavens open walls over you. Isn't it obvious? You were right in front.
Martin, I first knew you by this name. We started as close friends, never imagining that I would come to know you more deeply as Jomic.
Do you take Chantal Denise to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do. Dati, crush mo lang ako. Ngayon, asawa mo na ako. Joke lang. Baliktad pala.
Everything happened so naturally that I didn't even realize I was already falling in love with you. You are sincere and consistent. For 10 years, our relationship was not always easy, especially with the distance between us, yet you stayed.
Alam ko marami pang mga problema at pagsubok ang darating sa atin. Pero promise ko sa'yo na nandito lang ako lagi sa tabi mo.
Every day you make a lot of choices. You decide on things. We hope and pray that every time you decide, every time you choose, you would always have in your mind and in your heart that you love one another.
Thank you, Ma, for raising me. Okay. Huwag kayo iiyak. Make-up mo sayang. You are my safe place, my answered prayer, and my greatest blessing. From this day forward, I vow to always choose you.
Thank you, Bay, kasi hindi ka sumuko sa relasyon natin. Thank you kasi sa tuwing napanghihinaan ako ng loob, palagi kang nandyan para sa akin.
With you, naramdaman ko ang totoong pahinga na kahit ang daming nangyayari, kumakalma ang pakiramdam ko tuwing kasama ka.
Hindi ko maipapangako na kaya kong solusyonan lahat ng magiging problema natin. Pero ipapangako ko sa'yo na haharapin natin yung dalawa na magkasama. Sa tuwing napanghihinaan ka na, ako ang magiging lakas mo. Mamahalin kita habang buhay sa hirap at ginhawa. Chantal Denise Endaya Solano, mahal na mahal kita.
I will give you all of me, my love, my trust, and my whole heart, completely and without hesitation. I will grow with you and fight for us. Mahal kita more than words can express. And I am honored to be your wife today and always. I love you.